What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. That's just pure luck right there. Just happened like that. Looks like a pizza pan. I'm starting out with the pizza pan today. What the heck? What are you doing there, big old doggy? Smelling me. It scared me. You doing okay? Huh? Huh? We got some stuff in the truck. I was debating on whether to go and empty it out at the storage unit and start a different direction, but we'll just leave it in there. I don't think we'll need the room. Huh. Alright. See you later. Oh, yeah. The dog came up. I felt something sniffing my back of my leg. Oh, there might be some stuff in here. Something real stinky in here too. That box. What was that? I'll look in that box. I think it's got some stuff in it. Halloween stuff. But nothing. That's cool. That's cool. Christmas lights. Keep them back here. I don't know. Quarter. Oh yeah. I'll take that for sure. That's cool. That's all I see worth grabbing. Is it cracked? Yeah, it's cracked. There and there and there. Oof. I don't know. Worst case scenario, if it does break, I'll just throw it away. I kind of like it. Finding Halloween on Easter. I like it. Alright, I've got a little nugget. We'll take what we can get on this wet day today. That's it. It does have a little chunks of wire on it though. I'm FaceTiming on my siblings called me.
By November. It's my Christmas present.
Hey, what's y'all's favorite YouTube channel?
You can see me.
Alright. I bet the cord's been good on that. Yeah, we'll take it though. Like I say, I don't know what we're gonna get today. It's a windy, cold day. It's like day more winter, spring, summer, winter, spring, summer, 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 spring. Don't make if it's mine. Alright. I've seen some vacuums. Guess what? Cord's cut. I think we're too late today. Who knows though? Never know. Oh, there's a critter cage back there. We can get that for sure. Alright, let's get that critter cage if I can reach it. Myself right in the head. Alright. There's some cups. Nothing I want. something in here. I don't know. Tell what it is. Oh no. It's just there's nothing. A little car seat and a deal. I couldn't tell what that was. Alright. Gonna be one of them days, guys. But that's alright. Hey. Whoop, whoop. I got. I'm gonna have another wheelchair to add to our wheelchair collection now. Oh, come on, get loose there. There we go. I'll dig around a little bit more. This bag sounds like maybe a good one. Mason jars. I know I need a few of them first. Valentine's. Those are rocks. Really don't need this many, but come on. I can't reach it. Here, there's an easier one. There we go. I like that. We'll use this one. That's about all I want. We're messing around with the glass stuff too much, but what is this thing? I want to pop. Scrap. Oh, heavier than it looks, full of water. Aluminum pot with the lid. A roaster from old one. Probably should have backed the truck up now. Oh, it's thundering. Go as long as I can. And stuff. That ain't no good now, it's wet. It's worth $1. If I ever have a yard sale, just put it right there with the straps. Play money, it's gotta be. Fake ones. And decoyed. This old dumpster here has been good to us on a regular basis. Let's do like it. See if we really find something. Like, wow, what is it called? Live or whatever. Real time. I do see some hoses. Oh, and a chair. See, I'm like, man, this one's like somebody dumped some stuff in here. All the time almost. Nothing great. Scrap metal nonetheless. I mean, it's all great. And I love it. Really do love dumpster diving. Finding it. No matter how big. More fun to me to find little pieces like this, and since people ask me to come get a washer and dryer or something. I mean, I like doing that too. The thrill of the hunt, I guess what I'm trying to say. Come on, cut. I don't need to cut it that high. Scrap metal. Let's get to scrapping. I'll cut them hoses off camera. That's the way I'm feeling right about now. That's a metal chair. Oh. Self-cleaning too. Maybe. Can't even tear that stuff. Oh, we got some in this one. Here, it looks like it's gonna run the whole lip of the dumpster, but it's metal. Whole lip, I mean the whole length. That'll be on this. I'll dig this out too. That's aluminum on that thing. So we'll get that aluminum. This is aluminum too, I believe. Make sure I'm not. That's slick. If that's aluminum, that'd be awesome. Alright. This thing's slick because of the water in the bottom of the dumpster. Get some more aluminum. Well, that's not what I want to do. I'll sit there and break it off here on the ground. Get the most of it. Chunks. If I can get this one out. It's cardboard as well. At the storage unit. Get rid of that trash. Cut it up or something. Oh, that feels like there's something in it. I've seen Christmas lights down here. I want to grab them. Give me them Christmas lights. Wow. That's what that's all there was in there. A McFlurry? Or no, that's a Blizzard. What was this box about? I felt I heard something. Let's see. What's in here? This one may be a good one. No, it's paint. That's why they got it. Aha! Duct tape. Well, I got some duct tape. Oh, you know what? I was just saying, I gotta fix this. We'll fix it right here, right now. A few times, have us a better handle. Let's get a cord. I'm not taking either one other TVs. That's a big CRT TV that I do not want to mess with in a dumpster or at the moment. I know that. I'm gonna just reach down as far as I can. There we go. See a scrap nugget. I ain't gonna put my gloves on for it. Taiwan fake army shovel. It's a little chunk of metal though. What's that? Pieces to a gun cleaning kit right there. And some metal wire. That's all I see. It's coming down now. We got us a big old heavy light. Big old light futons, but we'll take it. It's a whacking, crack, and smack one. We'll come back for that. Y'all like it? Look at that piece of metal we dropped. Alright. Oh, it's raining in. Oh, I can't believe you cut the cord on that TV. I just did, with all the rainwater on it. Give me some cord cutters today, guys. Truck to stop and we find Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Oh, we got, I'm sure, yeah, its tail's been got, so it's alright. I'll do this. Got us some shredolas. There we go. some easy pickings out of it. Alright, battery died. So, back going now. Alright, let's go see what else we can gather up. Got us a dog cage. I don't know if this one any good or not. I still got all those ones I need to sell. Boy, I don't know why y'all stacked this so bad today. If we find something big, we'll just put it on the back. Or if we find too much, we'll just reorganize. We may or might not have a cord. I'm not really sure. It is. Yeah, it is a cord. Some Cat 5 wire. Oh. What else we got in here? Oh, well, alright, you're metal. You can go. Alright. Thing. A suitcase with nothing in it. Alright. I believe that's all I can see. Step in a lake. Let's go. Man, killing it today, ain't we, guys? Hey, I'm having fun. I hope y'all are. You never know what's around the next corner. Uh-oh. What'd the electricians leave us today? Might have to back up. We get in there too much. Back up to it. I can't get in it. It's really full, so that won't be happening. Hope y'all understand that. Alright. That looks to be aluminum. I was getting excited. Woo! I don't know, that's discolored, isn't it? That might be copper or brass. I want to say brass. That's not. Well, that's cool. Let's see if we can wrestle something out of here. And this thing's stuffed, boy. Cardboard and styrofoam. I ain't no getting anything out of here today, I don't think. I don't see nothing but that, so we tried. As always, next week. Uh-oh. I got some balloons for somebody. An R. Let me get that off there. So, if anybody's birthday, I bet you that said happy birthday, don't y'all? So yeah, there's the A. Yeah, happy birthday. If it's y'all's birthday, happy birthday. We found the balloons. We found the birthday balloons. My goodness. That must have been under my grandma's sink. Look at all them Walmart sacks. Yeah, everybody's got those Walmart sacks under the sink in the South, don't they? A few trinkets in here. Nothing too crazy, but maybe gladly take it. Let's see. I do not want to get, as bad as I want to dump that in the dumpster, I'm afraid I'm at a truck lot, so that ashes to stick because it's wet. I don't think that would be very cool. So we'll just let it dump over in our truck, because I can just picture it, the dust coming out and then sticking to that truck, what they're working on or trying to fix or something. That wouldn't be cool. That one I feel comfortable doing. See? I got my truck with it. Alright, this trash can, it is zip tied up. But what's in it? I gotta figure out what it is. Let's figure out what it is. I ain't got nothing over here, do I? Yeah, maybe. A lot of cans with mixed trash. It's a good trash can though, isn't it? Be a good sorting bucket. Put a water hose to it. Could even use that one. Alright, think I'll keep it. Find a spot for it, maybe. Oh, there we go. Let's close up shop. There's a lot of cans, I know, but I'm not taking all that garbage for the cans. Take it. All the way around the truck for a crock pot. Oh, the lid is shattered, isn't it? I was gonna say I'll keep it, but the lid's shattered. I was gonna. I'll find me one in good shape for a backup or something. Some more of these with the extruded aluminum on it. Let's dig them out. One day I'm gonna sit down and take them apart. I guess it's good just to stack them and have them. Let me get some gloves on. There's quite a bit in there. Might as well. Right. If I can reach them. Ooh, that one comes with some Laffy Taffy. Nice. Oh, that one's plastic. I want that one. There we go. Definitely take the aluminum ones. Let's see what's on those. boxes back there. A house on top of it. But let's see if we can. Oh, we got that. Oh, dang it, man. I don't think I can move all that. Oh, that's a lot of wire too. Oh, goodness. Whew. Yeah, I'll take that. Got a little grip. We got anything else in here? There's no telling, is there? You can't really see. Woohoo! Man, it gets me excited when I find copper. Oh man, what's that? Shoot! Dang! There's no telling what's in the bottom of this. Can't do anything about it though. Oh, another little chunk. I don't see nothing just like screaming at me, so. Man, I am not touching that. No way, Jose. That's a booby trap. That is a booby trap waiting to happen. Take the mini fridge though. What do we got here? There's a lamp over there, I see. Oh, the old famous Swiffer. I gotta go around and get the cutters. Be your own kind of beautiful. Hey, it's got a cactus on it. I like it. Oh, if that one got rained on. Yeah, I'll save it for somebody else. Alright, I'll leave that to cover it up. It's closed. Somebody might want it. That's the second one of these we got today. Alright. I'll tell them what's down in here. Pair of Nikes is kinda oh yeah, just closed mainly. Alright. Take a little look over here, just in case. Alright, let's go get that lamp. Look at all them cool kids' toys, man. That thing might be able to. I mean, those. I'm gonna give that to my niece. That's from my niece, Lily. My little Lily niece. I about busted my butt. Other stuff is She'll like that. Maybe. If not, we tried. There's some cool stuff there, but my kids are a little too big for that stuff now. Let somebody that needs it pick it up. Woohoo! Rain's got them stirred up. Alright. Alright, what was that? 2 or 3 cents for the day or something? We're rich. Rich, I tell you. There's some stuff in here. If it don't have concrete on the end of it. Like they put the concrete in there, but they cut it off. What? How nice is that? Let's get some gloves. Gloves. I don't know if I said that or not. There's a keyboard down there. We'll take that. Some cords. The mouse. Let's see here. Don't hit me. Let's put these up. Can't believe I got so lucky that they cut the concrete off then. Alright, let's take a look at the other side. That's gonna be it. Cool. We'll take it. Alrighty, that is it. That's all we wrestled up. That's nothing too crazy really, huh? A big chunk of aluminum though. I don't think this dog cage is, well, maybe. I doubt it's sellable. Just some scrap, not a whole lot out, but we had fun and covered gas, and that's all that matters. And got Lily, my niece, a new toy. Got some aluminum, you know, the usual stuff. But look, my azalea bushes are starting to bloom. Oh man, there's some briars in there. Oh, I trimmed them, but I just didn't pull them out. I trimmed them a couple weeks ago back, because they were all the way out here. Yeah, they're starting to bloom once a year. I know some of y'all like looking at them. And now next week they'll be, wow, they should be looking really good. Alrighty. Like to appreciate y'all, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Y'all guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.
Oh, jackpot!